on my across my shoulder. I just can't bring myself to film with a selfie stick. I'm too self-conscious. Hopefully I will get over that. Time to jump over a puddle. My hope is that this video doesn't look like an earthquake with the GoPro shaking so much. I don't know though. Like I said, please forgive me. This is my first attempt at walking and using a GoPro. I guess I could go to YouTube and ask people how they walk and use a GoPro without it feeling like it's bouncing around, because I know there are people out there that do that, and I don't see any bounce. Egads. Big puddles. Now the hard thing about this particular video is going to be when I take a look at it, I know I'm going to want to throw it away, because my standards probably going to be a little higher than what's on here, but I don't know how many times I want to videotape this walk, or video record, because I like the walk, but I don't like the conversation that comes with it. And I wonder if I'm going to come down with dementia or Alzheimer's in my old age, because that's kind of why I'm doing this, so that I have something to remember in a video, maybe even though it's shaky and horrible. If I do come down with dementia or Alzheimer's, I can watch it and remember what it was like to walk this walk. The one thing I will say about walking this walk with Danielle is that she always would stop to smell the roses and flowers and all that stuff. So it's weird. Morning. And always takes so much longer with her. Trying to maybe hold the bottom of the GoPro a little bit to keep it from shaking so much. And who knows, maybe by doing that I'm making it shake more. Ooh. Looks like I'm losing my sunshine. A little bit cool when the sun goes behind the clouds. Starting to realize maybe I walk like Frankenstein, because this thing's really bouncing around. Apologies if you guys are getting motion sickness. And kudos for anyone who's still hanging in there trying to listen to this nonsense that I'm talking. How do they do it? How do the people do this and not have a GoPro bounce around all over the place? See, I would usually be coming up with 3 or 4 items that I'm grateful for from yesterday, so show my gratitude. And try to come up with 3 or 4 to-do things for today. And I'm doing one of them now. This has been on my bucket list to get this walk recorded for a couple of months now, and I just haven't had the guts to do it. But we're doing it. So those of you out there who possibly don't have the guts to do something, do it. Try it. Or was it that one saying, there's no such thing as failure, there's just learning. So right now, I'm learning. Morning. 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 Hey, doggy. So I think I've got my 10. One thing I probably should have done with the GoPro, because I've read about it, is there some kind of motion stabilization, which I don't think I turned on. I think this is just straight GoPro with no fancy additional things. I do have the GoPro in a GoPro mod thing that lets it connect to a bunch of other things, and then it also has a hopefully a better microphone. The goal now is to see if I can make sure I get home before it starts raining. We'll see. Well, this may be a video that the only one that's going to look at it in the future will be me. And that'll be so I remember what this walk was like. Morning.
Good morning.
I am. Let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely walking slower than normal. And still, but it's going to look like I'm walking through an earthquake. Now, I'm saying these things so that when I get home and look at this, maybe it'll help jog my memory on things I need to try to fix and to the next videos won't be so bad. Oh, there's a beautiful dog coming this way. Morning.
Morning.
So we'll see. I also kind of wonder what the deal is about recording other people. And GoPro's kind of small. So I don't know, some people may not even recognize that I've got a GoPro on. Looks like there's going to be a somewhat wet Easter egg hunt going on today at the park. This is Easter Sunday. I wonder how long it's going to take to download a 45-minute video. I think